This is 11-4, dividing polynomials again. The owner of a bookstore recorded the following information last week. What is the equation that best describes the relationship between the number of customers and the amount of sales? I need a slope. I need a y-intercept. To find slope, I'm going to pick this point and this point. I can see these are going up by 5. I like to go up by 10 instead. I see that these are going up consistently also. Oh, so that's up by 20 and up by 5 and 20 and the change of y over the change of x is 20 over 5, which is 4, so my slope is 4. Then I do 4 times 9, and I have plus something has to give me 66. That's 36, and so plus b equals 66. I subtract the 36 and I get 30. So my equation is y equals 4x plus 30. The next part, we are going to use Desmos, and I have already pre-done this, and it says a science experiment involved hanging objects of various weights and on the spring. So my x is my weight, and my y is my spring, length of the spring, and I'm going to have to find a line of regression. So I add, and it's y1 squiggle mx1 plus b, and there's my equation. And then it says, based on this information, what is the best prediction of the length with a 10-ounce object? So I'm going to come to 10, and I'm going to click right here, and it is 9.63, and I would write 9.63 as my answer.